Okay, the lighting isn't real good. I have converted this generator to work off of propane. I followed some other direction on the internet that has this vacuum demand regulator and a regular propane regulator that feeds it. And this was worked out from something that somebody else gave. So you just have to hunt the internet for propane conversions. You turn this on. Well, let me show you this part. The only modification that I made to this entire thing is to drill a tiny little hole right here in the plastic and put a piece of 1/4 inch brake line in there. It was about 1 inch long. Put a piece of 1/4 inch fuel line on there. Hook it up to here, and that's it. That's where the propane is going in. Everything else is untouched. Did not drill the carburetor, did not cut anything else. One small hole right in there. Turn it on, put that in, give it a little bit of gas. That's it. There she is. Simple as that.